way to 100. We are at 50 subscribers, and thank you guys so much. I know some people won't care or might unsubscribe because I mentioned something. I don't know. But yeah, that's amazing. I've only been doing videos for like 2 months now, so that's pretty awesome. My husband's PlayStation is apparently making noise. We're going to use the Armed and Gorgeous palette again because I've just been loving it so much. The colors are just, they're so pretty. We're going to go into Access. I'm going to go into Agent. Kind of deepening up the crease. A little bit of Smooth Criminal. Reminds me of Michael Jackson. Going to Prowl. I don't know why, but I feel like this should have been named Mean Girls. I know it's not pink, but every time I see it, all I think is, she bought army pants and flip-flops, so I bought army pants and flip-flops. And my husband loves me, so he just put it on to make me happy. Did not ask him to, he just wanted to. I'm gonna cut 2/3 of my crease, like these. Ooh. Honestly, I could actually leave it like this. I don't mind this. I think I might go into her other palette and get Silk Cream and do that. I was gonna use the green and like do that, but I kind of like this better. Go into the jaclynhillvault as I drop everything, and I think we're going to go in with, where's Silk Cream? No, we're not going into Silk Cream. That's my favorite transition color though. We're gonna go into Beam, I think. I can only get washed about once a week, which is not enough, but I go into Smooth Criminal again. Go into a little bit of Prowl. I kind of want a little bit of Guilt Trip, but I don't know how it's gonna look. I'm just gonna place that like right there. I like that. Okay, yeah. Guilt Trip a little bit, just kind of placing that in the center, like over the pupil-ish area. And I'm literally doing all this so I can go get Digiorno's pizza so me and my husband and the kids can sit on our butts and eat. I'm ready for my period to be over. You know it?
Stop coming to the camera.
You know, you could play it off like you thought I was talking to the camera though. So when I first started doing videos, I tried to wear different shirts every single day and like go through my whole closet and then quickly realized that wasn't gonna happen because I have like 4 shirts that I actually really like wearing, and that's about it. With this on the inner corner. Just like that. Ooh. I'm gonna go in with this liner again. It's just a L'Oreal liner from forever ago. I don't do the smooth open like everybody else does, but that's alright. I completely stopped talking because everybody was in the room, and now I'm like lost on what to say. 50 subscribers, guys. We made it to 50 subscribers. That's pretty awesome. I am ecstatic. Go into hello. Huda booty, huda booty, huda booty. Ever since Sophia said huda booty, now all I want to say is huda booty. I forgot how pretty this one is. This is Laura Mercier in Sensual. We'll try some of this too. And that is in Truffle Teas, of course, my favorite. Oh my gosh. That is it, guys. That is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.